This is the B sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the B sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The starting position for the B sound is exactly the same. So first produce the sound. Now produce it again, but this time block the flow of air through the nose so that the air and sound pass through the mouth instead. B, B. Well done, you just produced the B sound. This sound is produced by building up air pressure behind the lips and releasing it explosively, while simultaneously producing a sound from the back of the throat. This gives the sound its technical name, the voiced bilabial plosive. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't have to produce the sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So, try and remember the correct mouth position and produce the sound again. B, B. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the B sound? Now listen and see if you can hear it. Book, baby, rabbit, debt, club, robber, Bible, lamb. The B sound is easy to identify in writing because it's always spelled with a single or double letter B. However, the letter B doesn't always produce the B sound, and there are some common words which contain the silent letter B, such as debt and lamb. The letter B is often silent when it appears before the letter T and after the letter M, usually at the end of words. Other common examples include dumb, plumber, doubt, subtle. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Betty bought a bit of butter. The bar sells bottles of beer. Light bulbs shine brightly. A robber grabbed the bag. Blood flows between the limbs. The B sound is generally easy to identify and pronounce in English. However, it might change slightly depending on its position in a word. Look at these words. Is the B sound pronounced differently to usual? Now listen and see if you can hear a difference. Cab, rib, pub, robe. When a voiced consonant appears at the end of a word, it's partially devoiced. This means it can be especially difficult to distinguish minimal pairs such as cab, cap, rib, rip, pub, pup, robe, rope. Remember that all vowel sounds are slightly shorter before unvoiced consonants. This difference in length compensates the loss of voicing, so we can still distinguish these minimal pairs. The B sound may also be devoiced when followed by an unvoiced consonant in words such as obtain, subsidy, absent, obstacle. This is a form of assimilation known as energy assimilation, and it's unlikely to cause confusion because these words don't share minimal pairs. Remember, if it's not obvious from the pronunciation what the word is, you can usually deduce the meaning from the context of the conversation. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but now it's your turn. Can you think of any more words that contain the silent letter B? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.